Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So let's talk about this video. So what happened was this person is claiming that he was cruising in the highway and accidentally money shift, or should I say, put his vehicle in the wrong gear, causing the RPM to skyrocket and end up just completely destroying the engine and transmission and causing all sorts of damage. And the cost of repair is absolutely insane. Jesus, they're literally asking him to pay the price of a whole new GR Corolla. Holy crap. And I believe most of that money is just going towards labor cost, but still, that is an obscene amount of money. Now, when it comes to money shift, I have done them before on my Type R, but the difference is, soon as I realize I'm in the wrong freaking gear, I change the gear right away before it reaches all the way, red line. So I've done that in the past before, and it's not just because me cruising, it's just me like trying to, going into like the next gear and accidentally putting it into the wrong gear. I think I've probably done it where I was trying to go to maybe like a fourth gear and accidentally went into second gear, but as soon as I realized it, I quickly changed the gears and didn't do extensive damage to my engine. My car is still running, got over 50,000 miles and no issues. But for me, being an experienced manual driver, I can, you could see it. When you're in the wrong gear. You definitely have time to switch the gears or put the car into, put it into neutral or just switch it into another gear. That's what I did. But unfortunately, this person did not do that. So my thing is, why should Toyota, let them get this warranty claim? How can they approve this warranty claim if it is a user error and not a malfunction within the car? I would have done the same thing. I would have voided that warranty myself too if I was working for Toyota or if I was working for the dealership. It's not their responsibility that you don't know how to take care of your vehicle and know how to shift your damn car. That's your fault. You fucked up. Why should they be paying the price for it? But anyway, let's go to the article. All right, here we are. So new 20, what is it? It doesn't say the year. I don't know why I was going to say the year. A new Toyota Corolla or GR Corolla money shifts his way to 42,000 repair bill. Warranty denied. Toyota says it's not covering the fix despite less than 500 miles on the odometer. It doesn't matter how many miles it has. A Toyota GR Corolla owner accidentally missed a shift from before cranking 500 miles on his new hot hatch. The repair bill, quote, ended up being more expensive than if you went out and bought an entirely new GR Corolla Premium. Now he's hoping that Toyota can step in and provide at least some relief after his split-second mistake. Why should Toyota provide any kind of fucking relief? It's not their fault that you're an idiot. If you driven manual, we've all done it, not intentionally. Shit happens. But why does Toyota have to pick up the bill? Huh? Why? If I was a corporation, I would have declined that repair. Unfortunately, a GR Corolla owner experienced his nightmare scenario before even reaching 500 miles on the odometer. They reached out to us with a repair bill so exuberant they could practically buy a whole new hot hatch with some cash to spare. The Corolla Premium trim has an MSRP of $41,000 after destination and holding before any markups, and often occurred when the car was launched. That's when Charlie Humblade, I'm sorry if I messed up your last name, was so shocked when his dealer quoted him $42,180 to repair his money shift GR Corolla. He admitted to Toyota dealerships that he money shifted his car and wasn't sure how it would play out, but the bill was a shock. Now, if he's reaching out because the cost to repair is absolutely insane, completely understandable. But if you want Toyota to pick up the bill for this, fuck that. Hell no. He tells Car Scoop that he was simply driving home from work one night and shifted into third gear while trying for a fifth. Based on service documents submitted. But how do you go from... Yeah, that's kind of a mistake I would make. But like I said, being an experienced manual driver, I would realize my mistake and quickly get away from that gear as fast as I can so it doesn't over rev or go into the red line unless I was intentionally driving it. But if you're driving aggressive, there's no way you were just cruising. There's no way you can make that kind of mistake when you're cruising. You must have been shifting the car pretty hard or maybe something, but I don't know. I wasn't there, so I can't really make that kind of assumption. I don't know why I'm trying to make that kind of assumption, but anyway. The dealer believes the car revved to 8,900 RPM. As a result, the GR Corolla has a red line of just 6,500, and additional speed did its damage quickly. But like I said, you made a mistake, quickly change the gears, but you also have to own up to your own mistakes. That why does the dealership owe you anything? Why does Toyota owe you anything? Toyota does not owe you anything. Like I said, maybe when it comes to the cost of the repair is a little bit excessive, but that's just what it is. Dealership can charge whatever they want per hourly rate. They can do whatever the hell they want when it comes to that stuff. But anyway, Toyota, regardless of whether or not Toyota covers it, the repair bill here seems outrageous. The short block assembly costs $5,483. The head is $2,000 or $2,297.97, and the timing cover is the further $1,180, while the intercooler assembly is $3,031, and the turbocharger assembly is an additional $5,000. For that kind of cash, it seems as though Humblad should be to get back some sort of GR Corolla WRC hybrid. But like I said, Toyota owes this young man nothing. He fucked up. He should have just, like I said. But anyway, I'm not going to repeat myself again. Toyota owes him nothing. You shifted into the wrong gear. You made a mistake. At least you owned up to the mistake by telling the truth. The only thing is just kind of like, the only thing advice I can give him, just shop around other shops that can do the job, and you can just buy a whole new engine. Honestly, get a whole new engine, get a whole new transmission, spend about what, 10K roughly, and get somebody else to put it into the vehicle so you can keep having the car. Or another thing that you can do is you can also file for an insurance claim and just let the insurance, take care of it. I mean, it was an accident technically. You didn't mean to shift into that specific gear. I don't know if insurance would cover that, but who knows? Look into the coverage. That's another option that he can look at it, especially if they're quoted him $42,000. That's a shit ton of money for a fucking brand new engine put in, and no, that's where it's excessive when it comes to the charges. But Toyota picking up the bill, nah. But anyway, you guys let me know in the comments below. As always, make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.